Hey guys, welcome back to Kylie's Fun Family Toy Time. Today we're going to be making a crystal garden. Let's get to it. Let's see what's inside. So here are the things that we get inside. So we get the solution. We get these platforms to put our crystals on. We get 2 trees we get to color. And then we get like a little mini crystal. This is just for you to keep. It doesn't have to do with anything of how to make the garden crystal. So let's get to it. So now we're gonna color our trees. So we're gonna open it up and you're gonna take the stuff out. So there's enough stuff to make 2 trees. So you have 2 different kinds. You have this type of tree and you have this type of tree. I'm gonna start off with this type of tree. So you have to color both sides of them with both of them. And here are the colors: green, purple, pink, blue, and orange. And I'm gonna color my first tree green and pink. So I'm gonna do 1/2 of the tree pink and 1/2 of the tree green. You can do pretty much whatever you want. Like you could do green and pink here and purple and blue on the other side, whatever colors you want. I'm gonna start off with the pink. You can also do dots, hearts, and whatever color you color your tree is whatever color the crystals are gonna be after you're done. And then also after you're done, you'll have these tray things. You'll put them on. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is color half the tree one color and half the tree the other. Like I said, you can do like whatever designs you want. So I'm gonna decide what colors I want to do on the other tree. I think I might do purple and another side pink. Pink's my favorite color. I think it's cool. And whatever color the pink will turn into like a crystal. It's gonna be so cool. I can't believe that we're doing this. I never thought I'd do something like this before. I love crystals. Like I sometimes like to grow crystals like from a crystal kit, but this is a crystal tree, so this is gonna be really, really cool. And I think I'm gonna put it on top of my bureau. You can pretty much put it wherever you want, but I think I'm gonna put it on my bureau because that's where most people can see it. And that's where I like to put my stuff on. So that's pretty cool. And that's where I have my crystal collection. I think I have like 3 or 4 crystals. And I'm actually growing one now, too. I think I'm gonna go on with the green because I think this is enough pink. Ooh, the green looks pretty good with this. It's kind of like a flower. And I really like flowers too. My favorite color flower is probably a sunflower or like, I forget what type of flower, but I like pink flower too. Callan really likes to look at my crystals. I have a blue crystal and that's his favorite one. They're very delicate though, but I have chipped one of them, which is sad. Callan has his own channel too. You should go check it out. So now I finished this tree, both sides. I'm gonna do the other part of the tree, which I'm gonna do purple and blue. So I'm doing this combination because I figured it would match pretty well. Like my 2 favorite colors and then my my third and fourth favorite colors are blue and purple, so I figured it would go well. So far, I'm having really fun with this. If you guys get the crystal art kit, you guys are gonna have a blast. This is really fun, and I hope you guys get it. And make sure you have no white parts that are showing, because that part, there's no crystals that are gonna grow in there. So you have to color all the little individual spots. Ooh, missed a spot. You can also do like, I might do for the next tree, like I might do polka dots or stars. I just think that purple's cool for the set. I'm gonna do that. Now I'm gonna move on to blue. Ooh, this is a bright blue. I like this color. It's kind of like the sky on very nice days. Now we're gonna flip it over and do the other side. I think I recommend to have like some sort of paper under when you color, because yeah, I kind of made a mess. I don't want to color the table. Now I'm done this tree, I'm gonna go on to the next tree. For this tree, I'm gonna do orange with blue polka dots. This is gonna look cool. This color kind of reminds me of like fire slash like, or not to describe it, like sometimes a sunset has this color and it's very pretty, the sunset. So I figured this would be a good shade of orange, which I think blue and orange will look pretty good together. So I'm excited to see what this is gonna look like. So now I'm finished with my orange. I'm gonna do the blue polka dots. Oh, have you guys checked out my other videos? I have some cool videos. Last week I did an egg shaker video. I did a Disney restaurant gift shop tour. I have so many cool videos you guys should watch. Recently, I've been doing some fun videos. I've been watching it, and I've been having the best time watching my own videos. I think you guys should check them out too. So far this is turning out pretty cool. I like how they look like. It kind of looks like a cheetah print, but like orange instead of yellow. And instead of blue dots, instead of black dots, it's blue dots, which I think is pretty cool. And the next sign I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do green and like orange polka dots. It could work, I'm not sure. There may be people like that. I'm gonna color and see and decide what I'm gonna do. I think I might do orange polka dots since the orange is already showing through, which I think is pretty cool. Those are cool combinations too. I might do just half of the tree green though, because this marker's starting to die out a little bit. So I'm probably just gonna go like up to here green and then like do the rest a different color. I think I might do that. So I decided to color the tree a couple of different colors. I was gonna do a green, but the ink kind of ran out of the green, so I did blue. And then I also did orange polka dots. This tree was a lot harder to color because it was a lot more curves. But let's go on to the next one. I'm gonna do pink, I think. Pink and purple, but those two colors seem pretty good. So I'm gonna do purple first, because I haven't done very much purple. I think I'm gonna do like the branches purple and like the trunk pink. I think I'm gonna do that. These colors are pretty good because they're like girl colors, so it's gonna like show like a bunch of different styles, I guess. I guess boys can like purple pink, but I think they're cool colors. Now I'm gonna do pink. I think you guys should subscribe, and if you have, thank you. And it's because it'll help my channel grow so I can make more videos, and also put a thumbs up too. I'm almost done this one, and then we can flip it over and do the other side. Now I'm done this side, so I'm gonna flip it over and do the next side. I think I'm gonna do orange and purple. That'll be like a Halloween one. Ooh, this marker's starting to die too, so I might have to do mostly purple, but it'll be cool anyway. Here are them now, they're all colored. Now we're gonna put them together so we can put them in the stand. So I'm gonna do this one first. So we have to slide the one that has like the bigger line through it. We're gonna push it through the one that has only the little tiny line. Push it all the way through like that. And then we're gonna put it inside the stand. And just be careful because they're very, very delicate. You put them like through the slot. Just like that. And then we're gonna do that same process with the other one. Oops. Now we're gonna put it inside the thing. This is the tricky part. It's so cool. Now we're gonna pour the Wicked crystal mix inside the tray. We're only gonna pour a little bit though. Now we're gonna do the other side. And then now we're gonna do the other one. Okay, so now we're gonna let them sit for 6 to 8 hours, but we're gonna check them in a half an hour because that's when they're gonna start to grow. We also got a crystal that we get to keep for a souvenir. Let's look at it. It's so cute. I can't wait to put this on my bureau. Hey guys, I finished it. It took about 12 hours. I know it was a lot longer than I thought it was going to be, but here's the final product. So the orange and the pink didn't really turn out like it was. The pink is really light. It's like white, and the orange kind of turned it into blue. But it's really pretty. I like it. Just be careful. It's really delicate. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Kylie's Fun Family Toy Time. Give my videos a big thumbs up. Bye guys. Hope you check out my other videos. If you like this video, you should go check out my other videos.